I know y'all can hear that. And it's gonna be faint in the background of everything, even when I play the song that I'm playing in the background. Okay, so just know this is what I'm dealing with. It is summertime. My neighbors don't give a shit, and I want to record my video, so some gotta get. See, I could close the window, but I'm not dying. We better check out Rain 30 Sexy. It has been, if y'all know, wait, I just noticed something. I noticed something. Lights are bright as hell. Hold on. I'm a good YouTuber, I swear. We better check out 30 Sexy. It's been a while since I checked out Rain. When I did Dolo was the last time I checked him out, right? I think it was with Rainism. That was the last time I checked out Rain. Right now we're gonna check out his 30 Sexy. It's one of the songs y'all have suggested the most for me to check out from him. I had a bunch of solo artists I'm about to check out right now. It's again gonna be like, y'all already know me, like how I spread things out, so it's fine. We gonna get to everything I tell ya I'm gonna get to. I will get to it. Let's check out Rain's 30 Sexy. They're really throwing it back, bro. I thought I threw it back would take me back. They playing Lil Jon. That in and of itself is a throwback. The fact that it's Lil Jon. Alright, so Rain, 30 Sexy, there's English lyrics. Let go. Hold on, let's drown out this music. Oh! Oh, he about to kill this. Did he release this when he turned 30? Please tell me he did. Well, this is giving some Justin, I was gonna say Bieber, Timberlake vibes, bro. He is turning up for his 30, bro. Ooh, silhouette and water choreo. I feel like he did it earlier, but I noticed it more with the silhouette. Oh, splash, brother. The way he's singing it also sounds like he's saying 30 as it does with more people. Is that 30 Sexy? Ooh! Y'all see that. Y'all see that spin. Ooh! That looked too perfect. I feel like that was an effect. Splashing. We respect the splash. Ooh! Oh, this. Oh my God, he looks like he's like in one of those like, from one of those old like comic strips. Yo, this is annoying, but it's fine. No, it's fine. It's not that big a deal. I don't think I can hear it over the music I'm playing anyway. This right here, this effect, whatever they did here, that is dope. Oh! Let the man celebrate his 30s, bro. Hey, do a little shoulder fuck. He is dead, just feeling himself in his 30s.
I can't stop.
Don't stop, brother.
I'm not gonna give up.
I don't even know what he said there.
Just beginning.
sucked his lip.
And now,
This is so dirty. Oh! I love how it's just him feeling himself, bro. It's literally just him feeling himself, and I mess with it so much. This right here, bro, I'm telling you, like, from the get-go, it gave me, like, I think it's also the aesthetic of it, like, the way it looks, like, literally like a Timberland, Justin Timberlake collab type of feel to it. That's what I got immediately. Just that dirty kind of, like, dirty grown-ass sound, you know? I know that I didn't do the best job of drowning out the background noise, but there's not much I can do, and I want to check out these songs, so y'all already know I'll be back to check out more Rain eventually. Right now, I'm on a break from Taking Back, and pretty much all themes except for Lost in the Sauce, which is something I've been doing with Ladies Code. I'm going to be doing with other groups, so right now the focus is Ladies Code. Like I said, eventually I'll come back and check out more Rain, but there's so much music to check out. Not enough hours in a day. But we'll get to it at some point. We always do.